Hey guys, again, it's your buddy Rome. So if you have a pair of these headphones and you guys know the challenge of being able to charge them, they have these magnetic connectors that you use to connect to them. And a lot of times we misplace these cables. We go out somewhere, we don't have the cables with us. Now, I'll tell you guys, these are some of my favorite headphones because they just fit so easily over the ears. But again, you know, that battery management is a challenge. So a product was sent out to me recently, guys, that claims to be able to correct that issue. And what I like about this product so far, guys, is that it is very, very compact, as you guys can see here. It has a little lanyard type of clip on here. You could clip this onto a keychain or something like that. It has the similar, if not the same, little connectors here, magnetic connectors. And all you're going to do is just connect that to your device. It's going to allow you to charge this up on the go. 600 milliamps, you know, that's not a huge battery. But when you're out and about and running around doing your everyday, you know, things, and you want to, you know, charge up these headphones, I use them for everything, guys. Listening to music, taking phone calls, all of that kind of jazz. And when you need them, you need them. You know what I'm saying? So having something like one of these little compact batteries can come in handy, and it just magnetically connects to your device. Now, with that said, there are some versions of these headphones that these do not work with. So make sure you have the right headphones that is going to be compatible with this battery. But once you know that that is the fact, this is a worthwhile investment. I carry this thing, or I have two of these actually. I have one of these on my keychain, and then I have the one that I'm showing you guys here in this video. But this one is also going to wind up in my sling bag just in case I need one of these. 10 minutes will get you up to about 50%, up to about 90% in a little over an hour, if I'm not mistaken. But you know, what's cool about these is that, again, very compact, and you want to check your battery level. Just press the little button right there and it'll tell you what the amount of battery you have left on it. It's not going to be an issue to travel with this because it is so small and compact. So I think this is going to be ideal. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I'm out.